What's up guys? Today we're looking at 4 things to look for when buying a fixer-upper. So if you're going to invest in a fixer-upper, whether to turn it for profit, rent it out, or live in it yourself, these are 4 things to consider before you buy. Number 1, location. So there is no point in investing thousands of dollars into fixing up a home in an area that's overrun with criminal activity and abandoned buildings everywhere, right? And the same thing can be said for homes that aren't easily accessible. See, it doesn't matter how beautiful the home is after renovations are complete. It doesn't matter, because if the area is unlivable and people don't want to move there, there's no point. So make sure that you pick an area where buyer demand is high. Number 2, the floor plan. So when checking out a fixer-upper, pay close attention to the floor plan. I'll give you an example. Say the kitchen is upstairs and the only restroom in the house is in the basement. You're gonna have to pay some serious cash to remedy that. I'm talking about moving pipes, ventilation, electrical wiring, etc. Okay, so pay very close attention to that, because those kind of costs can eat into your profit and it might not even be worth doing. Number 3, the condition. There's a big difference between buying a house that needs a quick facelift or buying a house that needs major renovations. Okay, it's a difference between new paint, new carpet or fixtures, or replacing the roof or the foundation. Okay, so those things can eat into the cost, making the low price point irrelevant. And finally, number 4, the configuration. So the number of bedrooms and bathrooms does matter, and it's the biggest deal breaker for buyers. So a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom will be an easier flip than a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. So keep that in mind when you're in the market for house flipping investment properties.